What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. As you can see here, I have Don Garlits' personal Dakota behind me. I just finished painting it, and unfortunately I broke my phone in the middle of the process, so I actually lost all the video and footage of not only his truck but IFO. I did a whole vlog for IFO I lost, and I had a finishing SEMA video that I lost all of the stuff for too, so I'm actually really salty about that, and I lost all my footage. So this is kind of where we're starting. Unfortunately, it's like the end, but it ain't too bad. So we're just gonna keep moving forward and make it work. But I just got to finish putting his truck together, do the final polish, and that's it. All right, so I just finished compounding. This isn't even polished yet. I'm gonna polish it once I get everything all back together. I gotta put the front end back together. I gotta put the doors back together, put the handles back in, get the interior back together, put the bed caps on, got the tail lights back on. Got a few little things we gotta finish up before she's 100% done, and it's got flares on all four corners. So let's get to it.
Growing up in Cali, yeah, you know I love the weather. Limelight hit 'em and you know I handle pressure. I do what I want, so I'm never saying never. I get what I want, so they call me go-getter. Yeah, I know he does it good, but you know I do it better. So misunderstood, if she wanted then I let her. Everybody knows if I want her then I get her. She gave me that look, yeah, she knows she thinks I'm clever. I don't think I do it good, no, I think I do it great. They would do it if they could, they can't do it so they hate. Everybody wanna look, but nobody wanna play. Stealing eyes like a crook while I put it on display. I don't do it by the book, no, I do my own thing. That's why every single hook got 'em singing like me. And I ain't in any rush, cause I'm finally getting paid. Don't believe in any luck, I believe I'm self-made, yeah.
So I got the driver's side flares on. They look really good. Starting to look like a truck again. Yeah. Gotta finish the gas door, put the other two flares on, get the bumpers on. Almost done.
Believe in any luck, I believe I'm self-made, yeah. Yeah, let's go. Catch me at the top, sipping shots of Patron. I will never stop till the road is my home. I'm about to pop, everybody's gonna know. When the beat drops, they be yelling B-ho. Girls in crop tops, drop tops at our shows. Mini skirts rock, got us all like whoa. All the pretty ladies lined up front row. Driving me crazy, I just wanna take them home. Got it on lock, yeah, you could call me pro. Parties on the blocks, make sure the girls know. Now it's getting hot up in here, oh no. Think Nelly had it right, better take off all your clothes. Future's looking bright, now I'm finally in the zone. 3 years of my life, I committed to the growth. Soldier boy, tell him #1 ringtone. I'm the reason people texting, cause they're blowing up your phone. I don't think I do it good, no, I think I do it great. They would do it if they could, they can't do it so they hate. Everybody wanna look, but nobody wanna play. Stealing eyes like a crook while I put it on display. I don't do it by the book, no, I do my own thing. That's why every single hook got 'em singing like me. And I ain't in any rush, cause I'm finally getting paid. Don't believe in any luck.
Alright, so we got his truck back together, and it's beautiful. Check this thing out.
I believe I'm self-made, yeah. Don't believe in any luck, I believe I'm self-made, yeah.
is it for today, folks. I hope you guys like it. I got it all tucked away, back in safekeeping. On to the next project, I guess. I'm gonna try to see if I can get like a montage video of the museum. You guys can see a bunch of cool stuff, which would be pretty neat. It blows my mind every time I go in there. So stay tuned.